Hello, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to quickly introduce to you our new 2022 GTI that we have here on the lot. This is a performance edition trim, fully loaded. You do have it finished in this beautiful red with a nice scale paper two-tone leather interior. Passengers of this vehicle are given backrest adjustment, seat height adjustment, lumbar adjustment, and the seat will move forward and back. Rear passengers are given second row access through this nice large door, lots of leg space. They got nice amenities such as heated seats, climate controls back there for themselves with vents, and you also do have USB charging down below. Lots of head space, lots of leg space, and you have a nice sunroof there with a nice blacked out headliner. Coming around to the back of the vehicle there, you have the classic Volkswagen emblem to pull to open up the hatch. Nice large storage space here. Second seats will fold down in a 60/40, but you do have that middle pass-through area. The seats will fold down flat, giving you extra space with no jam-ups if you were to slide anything in and out. Perfect car for day-to-day life here in Toronto. Coming around to the driver's seat here. All of your door and window switches on the left side. Drivers are given power adjustability on everything, included memory seating. You got touch controls here for your lights on the left side. So a quick view of the steering wheel here. Everything is touch control, very easy to get used to and learn. You do have your cruise control there on the left side, and you have all your view buttons there on the right side, along with heated steering. This vehicle is at 10,630 kilometers. Center area here, you will see that it's nice and large. You do have a navigation screen available to you. You also have your climate controls here, so you can look at smart climate, classic climate, air care, heated seats, ventilated seats. Here are your different modes. You have eco, sport, comfort, custom. Your parking menu, this will actually help put you into a parking spot if you need it. And you've got loads of safety features available to you, included adaptive cruise, lane keep, lane change, dynamic road sign, front assist, emergency assist. And this vehicle also does have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay wireless. Got your climate control buttons down low. Over here in this area here, you do have a wireless charger and USB charging there. Nice electronic shifter, very out of the way. Start your push to start button, park assist. Over here you have a nice little cubby with an armrest. Very intuitive in terms of how this cup holder works. Once you have a can in there, you just push the button to circle around it. Up top you will see all of your sunroof features here. This is one of the nicer features with the vehicle. You do have Harman Kardon. A lot of the 2022s had it deleted just because there was a shortage on parts. However, this one has it. And you also still have your heads-up display, giving you all the information you need right in front of you. Once again, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to quickly walk you through our 2022 Volkswagen GTI Performance Edition that we got on the lot. This is a gem of a car, and it's perfect for the upcoming summer season, giving you a lot of fun to drive, but also all the practicality that you need. Please feel free to reach out to us with any questions that you may have. We are available via phone, email, text message, wherever you are most comfortable, and we would be more than happy to help you. Thank you very much. Take care.